Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Biscuit homemade cake, full guide. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees F and line a 9-inch pan while you measure ingredients. Start by crushing biscuits into fine crumbs, then mix with melted butter until it holds together like damp sand. Beat eggs and sugar until pale, fold in milk and sifted flour gently, and combine with the biscuit base for a consistent batter ready to bake. Once your base is ready, warm and comforting steps make all the difference. Gently whisk eggs with sugar until the mixture becomes lighter in color and slightly thickened, then add vanilla and milk in measured amounts to keep balance. Carefully fold the biscuit crumbs into the wet mix so you maintain air and avoid a dense cake. If adding zest or cocoa, fold slowly until just combined for an even, pleasant flavor throughout. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really supports the channel and helps me keep sharing simple recipes. Quick recommendation. The product seen here can bring your space to life with music, timers, and hands-free reminders while you bake, making the kitchen experience more joyful and efficient. Check the description for the link and other deals to learn more, and now let's get back to the video. Place the pan in a preheated oven and bake at 350 degrees F, keeping an eye on the cake from about 20 minutes onward to prevent overbaking. Use a toothpick test to confirm doneness, then cool in the pan briefly before turning out onto a rack so it finishes cooling evenly. For best results when frosting, let the cake reach near room temperature or chill slightly to ensure spreads stay neat and flavors settle comfortably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.